Good morning, my name is Sanipatri Saksi. Today I'm going to talk about Thai food. How to cook Basil Fried Chicken. Basil Fried Chicken is a popular menu of Thai fast food. It can make so easy, very delicious and get benefit. This is my recipe that take time about 5 minutes and for 3 persons. Now I would like to show you the ingredients that consist of 1 piece of chicken breast, 4 bunches of basil leaf, 2 tablespoons of red chili, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of soybean oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, let's start with the preparation method, which is really important step to make this dish delicious. First, I slice the chicken breast into a dice. Next, I add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then I mix well and marinate about 2 minutes in the room temperature. Second, I put 2 tablespoons of red chili, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of pepper in a mortar, and then I pound it until it's mixed well. Lastly, I tear the basil leaf and put in a bowl. Oh, well, let's go on the cooking method, which is the heart of the cooking. First, I begin with 2 tablespoons of soybean oil in a frying pan over a medium flame. I wait for a few seconds, then I put a mixed chili and stir fry it until it smells spicy. Now I add a marinated chicken and I stir fry it until the chicken is cooked. Next, I season with the rest of the sugar and oyster sauce. Alright, I stir fry them until it's cooked well. Next, I turn off the gas stove and put the basil leaf in the pan. After that, I blend them together. Finally, I scoop up on the plate and serve with jasmine rice. Here is how to cook Basil Fried Chicken. I would like to leave you with the following idea. If you follow with my recipe, you will get a healthy food which rich in nutrients and luscious. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.